Ever found yourself wondering, does Jobber have inventory management? If you're a home service business owner, that's a question that likely pops into your head quite often. You're juggling appointments, managing teams, sending invoices, and trying to keep track of every nut, bolt, and widget you use on a daily basis. It's a lot, right? And the idea of adding inventory tracking to that already overflowing plate can feel overwhelming. But here's the thing. Effective inventory management isn't just about knowing how many spare parts you have in the back of your van. It's about efficiency, profitability, and ultimately customer satisfaction. Imagine arriving at a job site only to realize you don't have a crucial part. That means an extra trip to the supplier, wasted time, a delayed job, and a frustrated customer. Or perhaps you've got capital tied up in excess inventory, gathering dust on a shelf when that money could be doing more for your business. For years, Jobber has been the go-to solution for scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and CRM for countless home service businesses. It's renowned for streamlining operations and helping businesses grow. But one area where users have historically had questions, and sometimes even faced limitations, is precisely this: inventory. So, let's cut to the chase. Does Jobber itself have a built-in, comprehensive inventory management system? The direct answer is no, not in the way a dedicated inventory management software like an ERP system or a standalone inventory solution would. Jobber is designed to manage your services, your customers, and your jobs, not necessarily the physical items you stock. However, that no comes with a significant asterisk, and it's a really important one for you to understand. While Jobber doesn't have a full-fledged inventory module, it offers features and integrations that allow you to effectively manage your inventory in conjunction with your Jobber workflow. It's more about a strategic approach than a single button within the software. Let's break down what that means in practical terms. First, Jobber allows you to add line items to your quotes and invoices. These line items can represent services, but crucially, they can also represent materials or parts. You can assign a cost to these items, a selling price, and even track the quantity used on a per-job basis. This is your first line of defense in basic inventory tracking within Jobber. You can see what was quoted, what was used, and what was billed. This gives you a clear picture of material consumption for each specific job. For example, if you're an HVAC technician, you might have a line item for AC filter MERV 8. When you add this to a job, you're tracking that filter's usage for that particular client. Over time, by reviewing your reports, you can get a general sense of how many filters you're going through annually. This isn't real-time stock level tracking, but it's a crucial data point for understanding consumption patterns. Now, where things get more sophisticated is through Jobber's powerful integration capabilities. This is where you really unlock the potential for robust inventory management. Jobber integrates with popular accounting software like QuickBooks Online and Xero. And here's the magic. Both QuickBooks Online and Xero have their own, more developed inventory management features. When you integrate Jobber with QuickBooks Online, for instance, your line items from Jobber can sync directly into QuickBooks. If those line items are set up as inventory items in QuickBooks, then QuickBooks will track your quantities, costs, and even reorder points. So, while you're managing the job in Jobber, QuickBooks is quietly working in the background, keeping tabs on your stock levels. This is a game changer because it leverages the strengths of both platforms. Jobber for field service management and QuickBooks for financial and inventory management. Imagine this workflow. Your technician uses a specific part on a job, records it in Jobber. That information flows seamlessly to QuickBooks, which then automatically updates your inventory levels. When your stock of that part gets low, QuickBooks can even notify you, prompting you to reorder. This eliminates manual tracking, reduces errors, and ensures you're never caught off guard by a depleted stock. Beyond accounting software, there are also dedicated inventory management systems that can integrate with Jobber, sometimes directly or through third-party integration platforms like Zapier. These specialized tools offer features like barcode scanning, multiple warehouse tracking, batch tracking, and more advanced reporting. If your business has complex inventory needs, perhaps you manage a large warehouse, multiple service vehicles with their own stock, or high-value parts, then a dedicated inventory system alongside Jobber might be the ideal solution. The key takeaway here is that Jobber is designed to be part of an ecosystem. It's not an all-in-one ERP system, nor does it claim to be. Its strength lies in its focused approach to field service management and its ability to play well with others. This modular approach can actually be a huge advantage for many businesses. You get to choose the best-of-breed solutions for each aspect of your operations, and then connect them to create a powerful, customized workflow. So, while Jobber doesn't have a Does Jobber Have Inventory button that reveals a comprehensive inventory module, it provides the framework and the integrations to allow you to manage your inventory effectively. It's about leveraging its line item capabilities for basic tracking and, more importantly, integrating it with dedicated accounting or inventory software for more robust management. Ultimately, the best approach for your business will depend on your specific needs, the volume and complexity of your inventory, and your budget. For smaller businesses with relatively simple inventory, just using Jobber's line items and perhaps a basic spreadsheet might suffice. As you grow and your inventory becomes more critical, integrating with QuickBooks Online or a dedicated inventory solution becomes increasingly vital. The beauty of this system is its scalability. You can start simple and add layers of inventory management as your business evolves. Jobber empowers you to track what you use, and through its integrations, it helps you ensure you always have what you need on hand, minimizing wasted time and maximizing profitability. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.